Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Telegram chats. So if you've accidentally deleted a Telegram chat, just follow along. First, it's important to know that Telegram stores most chats in the cloud, but if you've permanently deleted a chat, recovering it may not be possible. And if you just deleted the chat recently, look for the undo option that sometimes appears immediately after deleting a conversation. If it's still available, tap it right away. Next, check whether the message still exists on another device where you're logged into Telegram. And you can also ask the other person in the conversation if they still have the messages, since deleting a chat from your account doesn't always remove it from theirs. And if you're looking for files, photos, or videos that were sent in the chat, check your phone's gallery or downloads folders as they may still be saved there. And one important thing to remember is that once a Telegram chat has been permanently deleted, Telegram generally does not provide a way to restore it. So those are the options you can try for recovering deleted Telegram chats. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.